Ross Retro Buddy Network. The devastation in the Carolinas is, I have no words. Towns, people's houses, cars, pets, homes, everything, boats, everything is just washed away. I have no words. I can give my thoughts, I can give my prayers, but I know it's not going to do a whole lot. But coming from somebody whose family had a condo in Florida, I can tell you that you can rebuild. Yes, it's going to be hard. It's going to be tough. It's going to be, it's not good. Okay. Whenever I was younger, we had a condo, my parents did, I should say. But we would go down there every summer. And it got hit very hard. And I can't remember, this was whenever I was little. I can't remember what hurricane it was. I want to say, was it Andrew? I believe. Anyway, it got hit very hard, right? Or like completely destroyed. And we rebuilt, or the company that owns the condos, they rebuilt. We rebuilt. We got a new condo. There is hope after tragedy, is what I'm trying to say, right? These things happen in life. It's not fun. I completely understand. I had it wasn't a tornado. It was high winds at my house, and I had to get a brand new fence because my wooden fence was just destroyed. Now, insurance helped me pay for it, right? But I want to let you know that you can rebuild. I know your lives might not be the same, but you can rebuild as long as you have your life. I just don't know what else to say. I apologize for the anger, for the sadness, for everything you guys are going through, because I know what it's like. Then on to Hurricane Milton, which is about to hit Florida later on this week. Please be prepared. Please be vigilant. If you can get out of town, get out of town. These things are not very, these things are disastrous. I don't know what else to say, but please be safe. Please be safe, everybody. I love you all.